What's up, weirdos? So today we're on an adventure to a little city outside of Las Vegas, Boulder City. Today we have a little adventure. Right now we're looking at the bighorn sheep in this park. Then we're gonna go feed some fishes, and then to end it all off, we're going to stop at the Hoover Dam.
He's like, no, it doesn't smell right. You tell me. So then the other one came and smelled it too. And then the other one's coming and they're like, yeah,
he's like, I need a second opinion on this butt.
Yeah, I don't think it's right. I don't think it's good. It's healthy.
Crocky, look at the size of these bighorn sheep. Let's go get a closer look. They don't like the ringing of my skis.
Yeah, you need to stop ringing. They're gonna chase you.
Dude, that one's like death staring me right there.
They're all
like,
death staring you.
These are all my fans.
Okay, talk to your fans.
Hello.
That's it.
No one just left. He's like, I'm tired of this shit.
It's like, I don't know how I feel about this guy. They're just staring at you, those two right there. They're chewing and they're like,
They're like,
watch him get close.
you will about mess him up. He's in the wrong neighborhood.
Yeah. There's poop everywhere. See, there's poop right there. Can I record the poop?
No, they just look so beautiful. I don't want to
They keep chewing
bother them.
Yeah, you better say we're beautiful. That's what they're saying. Look how they're staring at you.
Hey Leslie, I think we should start going. He started like pedaling his foot, so I think that he was about to charge. One of them over there was about to like charge me.
Well, look at these three. He's like huffing and puffing.
Uh-oh. I think we're not wanted here anymore. Okay, let's go feed the fishes now.
Okay, I guess the fishes are nicer. I know, there's nothing stopping me from falling into the water but the rope. Yeah, the rope's not gonna do anything. If you push me.
I'm not gonna push it. Or will I?
Yeah.
No.
That's so crazy. It's so windy.
It's so hot out here. This water looks so much fun. It looks like I just want to jump into it.
Yeah, but there is a sign that said no swimming.
Because the fish here are freaking huge. What a weirdo.
What?
No duck.
Why?
He's just sitting there. Like, give me some food. Oh, yeah, you better walk away. Yeah, we're talking about you. Get out of here. Whoa, look at that big old fish right there. Bigger than me.
Not really.
They're all ready to be fed their popcorn. But first we had to eat our ice cream first. I already ate mine.
Yeah,
It was delicious.
Really fast.
I feel like I have it all over my face. You call me fat?
No, I meant fast, but it came out as fat. Probably.
So they have to wait till Leslie finishes her ice cream. Because I already finished mine.
I eat really slow, so they need to take a while.
You ready to feed the fishies now? They've been here waiting for it.
Oh, have they?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
What are they gonna do?
Eat it, watch. Just throw it in there.
They're gonna splash all over the place, that's what they're gonna do. I wanna see if I can make it in their mouth.
Do it.
Oh, the wind.
So I just throwing one in there.
That one's kissing.
Kissing each other.
Everyone deserves one. Everyone deserves a chance.
Every fish is equal here.
Those are the ones that are getting bullied, so those are the ones I'm giving it to.
Yeah. Being bullied by the bigger ones. No, bigger one.
Oh my god!
It's massive.
Oh my god, you deserve more. So how is it feeding the fishes?
Pretty fun. I'm not feeding them anything though. You're just sitting here watching my hand. Look how big they are compared to my hand. Get out of the water. Look at it. Get out of the water.
They're so ugly.
They deserve it.
They kind of look like you.
They look like me.
I'm kidding.
Whoa. You see that?
Yeah.
Huge.
It was what?
That was huge.
It was what?
Enormous.
Quick, quick, quick. Quick, 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 quick. Oh, nice. He said he has to pay his rent in like a couple months, but he doesn't have money.
He's too busy selling it on some quack. Huge. Oh. Sorry for that last shot. If you guys didn't notice what went on, I threw the popcorn in the water and the fish started splashing us and got everything all wet. So I guess we decided we're gonna call it finished with this part. Next stop, we're gonna head to the Hoover Dam, the best dam place near Las Vegas.
I get it.
The better get on. The better get on. The better get on.
So we are officially on top of the dam right now.
Damn.
Damn, this is crazy stuff. Hope we don't get hit by one of these tour buses that are here. So right here is the burying site of a dog that the construction workers that built the dam named as their mascot. No one owned the dog, but he just wandered around here. So he became pals with all the workers up here. But that's where he's buried. That's where they buried him.
Yeah. No, I'm sad.
Don't be sad. That was a long time
yeah.
ago.
It was in 1941, so that's not that long ago.
It's like almost 100 years ago.
So, it's the dog.
It's probably a human now.
It's a dog.
Okay.
Dog.
Okay.
Can I stand on this?
It says right there, danger, keep off of wall.
Do I need to sign a waiver?
I don't think they have waivers for that.
I'll just sign my name right here.
So those white lines right there, that's where the water used to be at one point, like right when they built the dam. So you can see how much water we've lost over the years due to all these thirsty people in Vegas.
Overpopulation.
Overpopulation? No, it's because of Trump.
Oh, right.
Trump did this.
Right.
Is 32
Hey Leslie,
feet in diameter.
you guys, do you want to walk to Arizona?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's walk to Arizona. based off that building right there which says Arizona time. We are in Arizona.
Whoa, we just went to Arizona.
Whew, I'm tired.
Where are the drinks at though?
What drinks?
The Arizona drinks.
Oh, they're still in Nevada too. But it feels a lot hotter here in Arizona. I'm not liking this Arizona. It seems pretty boring.
Let's go back to Nevada.
Yeah, let's go back there, Nevada. Thank you guys for watching today's venture to Bighorn Sheep, the Fishies, and the Hoover Dam. Hit that like button if you guys like these adventures with multiple destinations in them. Also hit that subscribe button for more adventures, and click the links at the end of the video for more of me, more of my adventures, and where to find me on the social media. There we go. Peace out, weirdos.